Hi everyone, it's me Crystal. Welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. If not, welcome for the very first time to my little art corner here on YouTube. Today we are going to be unboxing the April 2021 Artsnacks box. For the snack portion, it looks like we got some Airheads. I got mine in blue raspberry. We also got a cute little Artsnacks logo sticker, as always. The first piece of actual art supplies we got is a Tombow ABT Pro alcohol-based marker. It's normally $5.99 retail. It's a staff favorite. The Tombow ABT Pro was made for artists. This permanent double-ended marker features a flexible brush and chisel tip in one. The brush tip works like a paintbrush, letting you create fine, medium, or bold strokes by simply changing the pressure. The chisel tip provides consistent lines and broad coverage, perfect for filling in large spaces. This marker is available in over 100 vibrant colors. Which one did you get? I got a blue color. It is P476. Let me know in the comment section down below what colors you got. I've used these markers before and I actually really like them. Next we have a Kiritake Z Kokoro letter pen, and this is normally $7 retail price. Customize the way you draw with the Kiritake Z Kokoro letter pen, derived from the Japanese words kokoro, meaning heart, and iro, meaning color, so basically a card of color. That's cute. This pen was made for you to choose each part separately to match your mood. Your new pen comes with water-based ink, which is black, and an extra fine brush tip that is compatible with a variety of colorful refills. So it looks like the outside detaches as kind of a shell, and then you can pick whatever color ink you want to go inside. That's kind of a cool idea. The following item we have is a Pentel Arts color brush pen and is $8.39 retail normally. Take your sketching outside the spring with the Pentel Arts color brush pen, a portable alternative to traditional brushes and ink. It's filled with a water-based dye ink that flows easily, dries quickly, and produces transparent watercolor effects. With the nylon brush tip, you'll achieve sweeping wide strokes to light, delicate lines. I kinda wish I got a different color than sepia. The final item we got in this month's box is the Pentel Graf Gear 300 mechanical pencil with 0.7mm lead. It's normally $4.99 retail. This is a new and improved product. The Pentel Graf Gear 300 mechanical pencil is out of this world. Experience maximum comfort as you grasp the metal grip decorated with soft pads and achieve superior control thanks to the perfectly balanced barrel weight. With its sturdy metal clip and eraser cap, this pencil is made to last. Feels like any other mechanical pencil, but okay. I think this month is going to be another one of those months where I pull in a bunch of other items to make a project using these. I do have a bunch more Tombow ABT Pro markers, so I might pull those in, and if I have any more of those Pentel color ink ones, I might do that as well. We'll see. But with that, the unboxing and swatches for this video are pretty much done. If you liked it, please hit that like button. If you have any comments, questions, feelings, concerns, or you've used any of the items that came in this month's box, please let me know all about that in the comment section down below. If you would like to see more videos like this, please feel free to subscribe. I do a bunch of art unboxings on this channel, and obviously we draw and paint. As always, thank you so much for taking the time out of your busy day or night to watch this video and listen to me ramble. I greatly appreciate it. I look forward to hearing from you guys soon, and you'll definitely be hearing from me soon. Bye, everybody!